Now we're starting off with a big one today. Trailer's clean but dirty, like always. And we're gonna take up a lot of the room by just this. Take a look at it. See, the wheels are already starting to bust off of it down there. I don't really particularly need that. But in here, ignore that. That's aluminum. I'll take it out in just a second. I think the wheel's falling off of her too. Somebody got a new grill for Memorial Day, which passed. And your new home, come on, it's gonna be back here for now. At any rate, welcome back if you're new here. Welcome to the channel. What we'll try to do is fill this thing up, have a little fun, and get a little sweat equity. I'm gonna pull the aluminum out and we'll continue with the day. Look at them old things. Well, they got some weight to them, don't they? Sorry, I didn't put my gloves on before we started. Check. They're not bad. I know they're heavy either. Oh, redone this. It's not exactly where I want it, but it's kind of wedged in there pretty good. Yeah, metal. Check the boxes just to be sure. We don't get no goodies in there neither. Little caps. Might be aluminum actually. Sound like it. There's nothing else in there. Two boxes there. No, just one. It's on the bottom. Nope, there's just boxes, cardboard. A few little caps in there. Ooh, and a wasp's nest. Mine. Yep, that one's mine too. At some point I gotta clean the back of the truck off. Yeah, I know. And we'll leave that well enough alone. Just to be sure. I think it's brass. Scratch it. Nope. Works. Well, we had a fan deciding that we didn't want to be where we put it. I don't know if they tried to reseal it or I'm confused on this one, but it's a heavy one. I got a home for it. Back here. Got a home for this fan too. Oh, it's got wheels. There's a fancy dancy unit here. Up you go. Let me get this cord cut. Get my 50 cents a pound, and we'll continue. Umbrella time. Down, 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 down. Feels like aluminum. Because it is. Means that that's not aluminum. Okay, well. Up she goes. Where she stopped, nobody knows. We already know this isn't aluminum. I'll hit it though. Yeah, those are like never aluminum. That works. Yeah, that's some nice stuff, yeah? Some chunks. some chunks of stuff here. Got the typical chairs. Burned. Don't know what you was to. Check what's in this fan box. Oh, it's a brand new fan. Is it? Sure looks like it. Well, that's a keep item all day, huh? Guess it was supposed to replace this one. And there the fan so far. Alright. We're getting somewhere. Those are plastic. I'm not taking this. It's probably all the parts to it though, but it's fine. Got this thing and that thing. Yeah. Let's see if we can get it loaded quick. They're actually cutting grass. So maybe I can get it on here before they have to come through here and cut. That's heavy, by the way. Stand it up. Live there for now. Just like so. Let's get the water heater. I've already looked through that pile over there. It ain't nothing. Ooh, it's got some nuggets on it too. A little bit further. And got some stuff to take off of this one. For sure. I don't know how hard it is to get the coils out of that one. I don't know. Maybe a YouTube lookup situation. Well, unfortunately, this is what we found today. There's some good items here, but not a lot of like dig spots. I mean, a lot of fans. That all came from basically one spot. The grill, one spot, the water heater, and whatever air handler, I guess is. So I mean, it is what it is. It's just part of it. I'm glad that we found a lot of stuff. I don't know really how to get into this and pull that out. I guess you just undo the screws. I don't know. It's a lot of wire, a lot of miscellaneous stuff. That's the old style fuses? That's interesting. Yeah, some copper bits on here that we won't, of course. I will fasten that down with the strap, but I'm not going to go too much detail on it. But yeah, that's how the cookie crumbled today. I mean, we can't make things be out there, right? I'd love to. I mean, she's close. I could go vertical. What can we put on here? We can do a washer dryer and clean all this stuff up. Refrigerator, maybe. What I'm saying is we could put more on here. But I digress. I do hope you enjoyed it. If you made it this far, consider like, sharing, and subscribing. I normally would take this to the scrapyard. A lot of it's got to be cleaned up though. Like, I got to get this off, which I actually may have a use for. I got to pull the copper off, which won't take too long, but needs to be done. Got to figure out what to do with that thing, if anything. And yeah, just, you know, some things. I used to take part fans for the motors, but I took them one time and they gave me like shred price for them, so I just don't do that no more. But yeah, enough of me rambling, and I do hope you enjoyed it. If you did, like, share, and subscribe, and yeah, I'm gonna pull a strap. Talk to you on the next one. Goodbye.